Hello, everyone. My name is Jared. Today, well, it's not really today because this was pre recorded. Anyway, this is my first time, so please bear with me. Now, I will be showing you how you can integrate Typebot with Dall-e2 to generate images. Now, hopefully, this will come handy for everyone on any use case, whatever that might be. Okay, now let's head up to the type of flows. Now, as you can see and appreciate, we only have two blocks, start and the image description to make it clean and simple. Now, the first block would be the describe the image, and this is where we collect all the descriptions in text to be converted to or generated to an image. And then this is where the webhook that connects to DALL-E API, OpenAI. And this is the part where we display the image that's been generated. Okay, nice. Now let us open the webhook block to see what's inside. Now, the first thing you probably notice is that the webhook URL it's different from the chat completion. So please make sure to add the correct DAL-E webhook URL. Okay, so we move on to the headers. Now, the headers is exactly the same setup to the chat or text completion. So there's nothing to change here. Okay, now we move on to the body. Now, with the body, this is where it gets interesting. The model that we need to use is called image alpha 001. Okay, now the second line is the prompt, which of course where the image description is stored that will be sent to DALL-E. And the fourth line here is the number of image you wish to generate. Now you can change the number 2, 3, 4, and 5, and so on, so that you will have more variations of the image. And the size, it's pretty self-explanatory. So this is the sizes that I've chosen at the moment. Now, once you have this, make sure to test the request. Okay. Now, as you can appreciate, I didn't put any prompt, but it seems to me it generated an error, but that's okay. Now, the last part is you need to map and save the variable response from Dall-e2. Now, I'm using at the moment is data.data 0.url, and then you can save it to any variable name if you wish. Now, mine is I'm using generated dash image. Great. Now, let's test it out. Now, before we proceed with the test, there's one thing I need to show you before I forget. Okay. Now, looking at the webhook block, I need to mention regarding the save in variables. Okay. This is where we will save the generated image from DALL-E. Okay. Remember this part here. So first thing that we need to do is instead of using text, we will be using image block. And you need to add it here. And then we need to select this particular variable to display the image. However, we will need to use the embedded link instead, and then select to insert the variable and use this variable here, generated dash image. And that's it. And then make sure to publish. Then we can test it out. Okay, let's just open up the preview, top right corner, and let me just extend this one for you so you can see it. Maximize. Okay, so I already have a prompt already copied, so let's test it out. It's a cowboy gunslinger walking on the neon lit streets and alleys of a futuristic Tokyo covered in a dense fog. Let's see. Nice. That's pretty good. Okay, everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe or like. Thank you.